Hello. So let's start with how to install GNUPlot. Okay, open your Chrome, search GNUPlot for Windows. We are dealing with Windows. So you just click here, GNUPlot download. Here will be primary downloaded site on SourceForge. Click here. It should come automatically. It will detect what should be your best compatible version. Click here. It should come within a few seconds. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. It will download. It is getting slow. So okay, no issues. So when it getting downloaded, I will just remind you that GNUPlot is a program to plot graphs. Okay, included in the first year BSc Physics syllabus. And in any if any interested science student, so you can learn. So okay, this is finished. Show it in folder. It is here. Just have a double click. Yes, English. Okay, I accept the agreement. Check here. I accept the agreement. Next, 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 next. Don't check there. It should have a start menu. So next, just click here in a create a desktop shortcut. There should be a shortcut in your desktop. Next, install. Finishing within 2 seconds. Okay, finished. Next, finish. So where is the GNU plot right now? GNU plot one icon should be here. If you have a double click, it should come. Okay, if you go here in your Windows Start, if you click it, just find the G there. GNU plot should be there in the GNU plot. Click it. GNU plot should be there. Search here in your search bar. GNU plot. So GNU plot should come here. That's it. So that's how we installed GNU plot. Later we will learn some graph plotting from GNU.